Hi, and I'm standing here at the Datapath booth at InfoComm 2026. Today I'd like to give you a short walkthrough of our Aetria platform. It is a full control room solution. First, we'll take a look at our Aetria workstation. I'm going to go ahead and start my shift as an operator. As soon as I log in, the user rights permissions that have been applied to me are going to follow me to this position, and all of the sources that I want to see are going to automatically populate on this desktop. These are all being brought down over the network, including AV over IP, H.264, H.265, or even just simple web pages. You can see that we've taken this desktop here and carved it up into a bunch of logical regions to place this content into. I can easily swap these around. I can even unlock the KVM functionality of these particular sources and start to interact with these remote PCs. If there was something going on this PC that I need to show the room, it's easy enough to send this right up to my video wall. So I'll send this to the top left region there. And you can see that source will be automatically sent up. The activity that I'm using down here is going to be reflected up there on that display so that the whole control room has visibility of what I need to do and while I'm working on these critical applications. A new and very important feature of our Aetria workstation and our Aetria solution as a whole is inter-site connectivity. Now, this can actually happen over the wider internet. We are setting up a VPN connection between two different sites and using SRT to send those signals across the internet from one site to the other. So if I clear out my wall here, my workstation wall, I can go ahead and find my remote sources. So let's take a look at a camera that we've got set up in Derby, our UK headquarters. In just a second here, this will connect. And now we're actually getting this camera feed from another Aetria system across the internet down to my workstation here. And again, I can do the same thing. I can send this up to my right wall in my top left region here, and we'll see that come up there and be reflected. So with our Aetria platform and our Aetria workstation, we're essentially treating this as a personal video wall. So I can apply different layouts based on a certain scenario that's happening in my control room. If there is an event and I need a certain subset of sources, all I have to do is click the Apply Layout button, and all those sources that I need for those critical applications that I need to deal with are going to populate onto my desktop here. And again, I can unlock the KVM functionality of a couple of these remote sources, and I can automatically control the mouse and keyboard of those remote PCs. So this is our Aetria platform, and if you do have any questions, definitely reach out to us. And please, if you'd like to schedule a demo, you're welcome to. We'd be happy to do it.